Xin chào các bạn, hôm nay mình sẽ học âm long E. Đây là cái hiệu phiên âm quốc tế của cái âm long E.
E,
E,
E. 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 Cho các từ sau: eat, easy, east, eel, even, please, feel, team, teeth, repeat, see, funny, tea, knee, and tree. Ok, cái âm y dài này thì nó tương đối gần với cái âm y trong tiếng Việt của chúng ta. Tuy nhiên mà để phát âm cái âm này nó chính xác hơn một chút ấy, thì các bạn nên hạ cái giọng của mình xuống một nốt so với tiếng Việt. Và để bắt đầu thì các bạn nên tập với cái khẩu hình này, các bạn hơi giống như bạn hơi mỉm cười, cái khóe miệng của mình hơi chạy về phía sau một tí, thì các bạn sẽ thấy mình phát âm cái âm này nó chính xác hơn. E, E, E. Ok, bây giờ mình tập và nói một vài cái câu sau nhé. She's happy. She's happy. She happy. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. The teacher likes teenagers. Teacher. Teenagers. The teacher likes teenagers. Don't leave me here. Don't leave me here. Leave me. Don't leave me here. Don't leave me here. Is he angry to see me? Is he angry to see me? He. Angry. See. Me. Is he angry to see me? Is he angry to see me? 5:15 is too early to go to sleep. 5:15 is too early to go to sleep. 15. Early. Sleep. 5:15 is too early to go to sleep. We are sorry we didn't meet you before. We are sorry we didn't meet you before. We are sorry we meet. We are sorry we didn't meet you before. We are sorry we didn't meet you before. It's really easy to keep studying English. It is really easy to keep studying English. Really easy. Keep studying. It is really easy to keep studying English. Do you feel like a piece of pie and some coffee? Feel. Piece. Coffee. Do you feel like a piece of pie and some coffee? Everyone must treat people with respect. Everyone must treat people with respect. Every. Treat. People. Everyone must treat people with respect. Everyone must treat people with respect. Everyone must treat people with respect.